This is Jack Dumpsey out and about. Or as we like to say, Jack out and about Dumpsey. Hey! Hi everybody, it's Jack Dumpsey out and about. Today, because you're stuck at home, we're going to be talking about cable and how to program your television set. And I'm here with
Bryce Price, Xfinity, Comcast.
What?
I'm a technician for Xfinity and Comcast.
He's the guy. Okay.
I know about the TVs. I'll help you with your installation.
Right. So he's going to be the guy who helps us.
I'm going to help you after I've installed the television,
Right.
how to operate the remote control.
Right. That's what we want to talk about.
Okay.
How to work the controller.
All right.
Okay.
So, first of all, we need take me to your television.
Hey, look right here. Right here. I got a Toshiba TV, and when you watch it, you got to pee 1,080 times.
Okay. Not 1080p. That's the resolution.
Have we decided what we're resolving?
No. This is that's the amount of well, I can't explain the whole thing to you, but anyway, that's 1080p. That's the how good the picture is.
Well, this would be difficult because I do have ADHD.
Okay. All right. Well, that's all right. That has to do high definition. Anyway, so what's going to happen is I will hook up the cable box to the television.
What? He will hook up the what?
Cable box.
Cable box to the television, and this will alleviate. I won't have to.
Right. You won't have to do it. That's
Right.
why I'm here. So anyway, so once we turn the television on, let's just pretend like we're turning the television on.
It'll go on.
Okay. All right. So when the television goes on here, the buttons are kind of small.
I have never had difficulty in the past. I do not foresee.
Okay. All right. I'm just going to. All right. So what I want you to do is your favorite channel. Do you know where that is?
Yes.
Okay.
I was told that I could do voice control.
Okay. You see the microphone at the top there?
Right.
Push the microphone button with your thumb.
Okay.
All right. So.
Can I use that calculator?
All right. I'm telling you, if you can. Do you have Google Home?
Google Home?
Yeah.
Hey God.
All right. So.
Hey
wait.
God.
You're gonna.
Hey God. Wait a minute.
It's like picking up a kid
I got
with
it.
his palms here.
I got
Okay,
it.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Very good. All right. So
Okay.
what you do if you want HBO, you just push the microphone button. You do have HBO?
I showered.
I mean, home box office. Yeah, home box office. You have home box office. You know what that is?
I have a Toshiba.
All right. No. It's a cable channel. A home box office.
I have. Okay.
All right. So
I
you just
probably
push
got
the
it.
button. You say, "I want to see home box office."
Okay, I got it.
All right. Try that again.
Push the button.
And push the button with your oversized thumb.
I want to be home in a box.
No. I want HBO. I want to see HBO. Okay.
I
you know what?
wanted to see.
Can I have the remote, please? Hey, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah, you hit the button and you say, "I want to watch HBO," and it will come up on there.
It will appear.
It will appear.
So technically, I just have to speak, and my wish is that will become in.
Well, it's not like it's a genie,
Won't
in
be a genie.
a lamp or anything like
So
that.
if I say make me rich,
No, it won't. It won't make you.
Why?
Rich. Well, you'll have to deal with that on your own. But this would just so you can watch whatever channel
Right.
that you want. And also, there's should I even talk about on demand? If you want to watch something that's not on a regular TV
it's
channel,
not on regular TV.
right? Like for
Like it's
instance,
on radio.
no, like it's on Amazon Prime Video or Netflix or Hulu. Are you familiar with Hulu?
I got a hoop.
No, not Hoop. Hulu. Anyway, so what you do is you got to push. I'll push the button, and
push
what
the
it'll
button.
do, it'll go to
So-
all of your apps, and you'll be able to find whichever one you want. You can watch the television show that you're looking for on that particular
Okay.
platform.
Everybody clear on that? He will be at your house to always
No,
push
I
the
am
button.
not going to be at your house. Okay, all right. You know what? They do have a nice video how-to
Oh,
on
okay.
screen, so you could probably do that, but what I'm gonna have you do, I just wanna make sure that, I am on my way quickly here, so why don't you sign this?
Really? Have you not seen the other two we did? I can't do
No,
this.
forget it, forget it.
Check Dumpsey. Bye.